not the program by ICA Motor Song.
यशस्सुप्तेषु जाग्रति यशस्सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं निर्विमाणः तदेव शुक्लं तदतं तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः
Thank you, members. May I now request C.A. Jungchan Eugene, Chairman SARC to deliver his welcome address.
Thank you, Rahman. My pronouns to all the teachers across the globe, esteemed and eminent faculty of our SARC, Central Council members who will be joining shortly who are available, and my colleagues in the Regional Council, especially Vice Chairman Jalapati, Secretary Abhishek, and Treasurer Geeta. CA Pampana or Sikasa Chairman could not join. There has been a close relative's death in his family today morning, so he could not join. So I join along with all the council members, wishing you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers, they say, are the considered as parents outside home, as they are like anyone's parents who move, mold, nurture, and guide for one's career path. Today, I'm here addressing to all of you because my teachers were instrumental in shaping my career and growth. I'm therefore extremely happy to extend my warm welcome on behalf of SARC and my own personal behalf to all the faculties to this Teachers' Day celebrations today. They say great leaders across the world are not born as leaders by birth, but they're born to be leaders because of their teachers. It is the teachers who unearth their intrinsic talents and mold them into the right direction. There is a significant difference when I say on skills, a difference between the learning a skill and mastering a skill. And it is these great leaders master the skill taught by these teachers. The Teachers' Day is celebrated in India to commemorate the birth date of our former President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli S. Radhakrishnan, who was born on 5th September 1888. And the first Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th September 1962, even when Dr. Radhakrishnan was the President of India. That amply shows that India acknowledged for his scholarly and multifaceted personality and as one of the greatest philosophers of the world. As an educationist, he was advocate of edification and was a distinguished envoy, academician, celebrative writer on philosophy, and above all, a great teacher and humanist. The doctorates and the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, which was conferred to him, prowess, and the awards that were recognized because it was presented to him. And I feel it is the award that actually got recognized by being conferred on him. Teachers' Day assumes great significance as far as SARC is concerned, and SARC is proud to organize this year after year since 2008, when the Teachers' Day was first celebrated in a befitting manner. And SARC takes this occasion as an opportunity to show its gratitude to the teachers who are supporting SARC. SARC is and immensely privileged to honor all the SARC faculties to express its heartiest and sincere thanks. Excuse me. Celebrating Teachers' Day as yet another significant reason, as it is an occasion for the students a chance to understand the efforts put in by their teachers. SARC therefore always makes it a point to add in their yearly action plan about the holding the Teachers' Day celebration on 5th September. There was some delay. We could not, give you a notice well in advance, but in future we will see to it that a notice of at least 4 to 5 days is given in advance, There was a last minute planning. We were trying to see how we could make out. Only when we were certain that we could be able to do, we gave you the intimation to hold this Teachers' Day. And they say the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. And the Chinese proverb, I remember, it says that if you are planning a year, sow rice. If you are planning a decade, plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. It is therefore the education which is the passport to one's future. And who else but our respected teachers, we could see all who have joined, are at the forefront, preparing the students for a better future. The Teachers' Day celebration is one of the platforms where SARC could thank the teachers for their excellent support what they've been given throughout the year. In fact, I just heard Kasturi Ranganji telling that they have been in the giving service to SARC for last 15-20 years and more. We therefore feel it our bounden duty to recognize and recall the services of the faculty who have been guiding the students. It is the teachers who help the students to garner knowledge, improve the skills, inculcate confidence, exemplify their life with high ethics and values. The way the students has to approach for the exam, and all these people who have gone on to become entrepreneurs have been actually guided by teachers then and there in their own way. And SARC has long history of support. It received from the teachers even from the year 1952 when SARC was formed, and it functioned, I'm told, in a very small place at Tabu Chetty Street and Armenian Street in Madras. It was called then. And one of the committees SARC formed in the year 1952-53 was to formulate a scheme of conducting coaching classes. And since then, there has been no looking back. The faculties in SARC are playing a very, very pivotal role in educating and guiding our CS students to be intellectually strong and inculcating discipline with utmost dedication and devotion. Their impeccable contribution to the conduct of SARC classes has given identification to SARC as the knowledge hub for CA course. I remember in the past, in the present, and I know it will continue in the future, that people always look forward to classes at SARC that is gain knowledge. I should also mention that at SARC, we are fully conscious of everybody's contribution whom we are making, and we are ensuring that the best of the facilities are provided to you when they come for the classes. Every branch of SARC has also been ensuring the faculties and are given due recognition for their support. As this occasion is celebrated to honor our teachers, I, on behalf of SARC, especially MPV sir, who gave a specific mail that he could not join and is kind of congratulated all the teachers, we express our sincere thanks to the present as well as the erstwhile faculties who have been instrumental in growth of our coaching classes in the past. It is also gratifying for me to record that one of our faculties who later became a Central Council member, Mr. P.P. Gururaj Upadhyay ji, who was part of the teaching for the CS students for taxation. And in his honor, SARC is conducting the P.P. Gururaj Upadhyay Memorial Lecture through an endowment created by SARC as a tribute to this scholarly teacher as he was, and he was adored by a lot of students fraternity. And before I conclude, I feel privileged to quote the famous words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our past president, who says, I believe that there is no profession in the world that is more important to society than that of a teacher. And I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank each one of you for your excellent contribution, what you have been giving it to the students. Indirectly, we SARC are getting the recognition. I once again offer a deep sense of gratitude to all the teachers and welcome you all to these Teachers' Day celebrations. Rahman, over to you, Rahman.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Thank you for your welcome. May I now request Dr.
Thank you, Rahman. Thank you, Rahman. Very good evening to all the teachers who have joined in today. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Very good evening to our dynamic chairman of SARC, C. Dungarchan Jain, our energetic vice chairman, C. A. Jalapati, and of course our resourceful treasurer, C. A. Geeta ma'am, who's joining from Bangalore. I'm very happy, and I congratulate especially chairman and Sikasa chairman, Pampanna and Dungar sir, for organizing this program today. I think Kasturi sir also had last year voiced his concern where last year, I think due to Sikasa chairman had some preoccupation, so we had to postpone the meeting on her request. But as chairman rightly said, 5th September is meant to be celebrated as a Teachers' Day. It's a landmark event, and he has made the very conscious decision. Even though Saturday, we have to have this event today to honor the teachers. It's a special day, and teachers are giving service all the year round, or throughout the several years now. So one day, just taking out one day should not be a challenge. So I thank both chairman and Sikasa chairman for arranging this. I'm going to keep my address very brief because chairman has covered all the important topics. I really firstly want to express my deep gratitude to all the teachers for doing such a huge service. And we are all well aware, especially I was a student hardly 7-8 years back. And some of you who are here are my teachers also. I've had the privilege of learning under your guidance. So I can very honestly say, and given the realities today, there are several private institutions, maybe monetary, they may be more remunerative, but all of you have taken a conscious decision to serve our students, to serve our ICI. And for that, I firstly want to thank you because it is a huge service. While be it all the office bearers or other council members who are part of our CA council and the institute, be it at regional level or central level, we can make a difference maybe 1 year, 3 years, 6 years, or 9 years. It does not matter. But as teachers, you are making a difference that will be running into several generations. You are shaping up the future leaders, the future industry leaders, the future professional leaders of our profession. And I think that's a huge task. Waking up every day at 5 o'clock, preparing notes for the class to teach the students, going there, dealing with students like me who will be sitting in that back bench and making some noise or looking at their phone. All of these are challenges that I'm sure that you're all facing on a day-to-day basis. And these are probably the minor intricacies which they tend to get missed. We always look at the success stories. We tend to miss the challenges that are faced by teachers. And I also want to acknowledge during Corona, during this COVID period, many of you and all of you have, done a huge service where you stood up and you've shown the sort of passion that you have by continuing to teach despite the limitations, the online challenges. Many of us, we did not know, Chapman excluded because he's people we used to facilitate ourselves, but we did not go further than that. But due to Corona, we have all had to upskill. And all of you have done that. I know many teachers who are there today also. I can see you all use your own personal resources to buy equipment, to make the class more interactive, to help the student understand clearly. That, for me, is a true mark of the sort of passion and the sort of difference that you're all making in the lives of students. And for that, I once again thank you. Thank you so much for making me the person that I am today. Thank you so much for shaping the current students and the professionals who are there today and making them valuable to our profession. And thank you. And I really wish that your continued support and service for our institute will always be there. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhishek sir. Thanks for your special address. May I now request CAK Jalabari sir, Vice Chairman, CRCF ICA, to say a few words and honor our SIRC faculty members by presenting the appreciation certificate. Over to Jalabari.
The respected chairman of the region, or the secretary of the region, treasurer, office, SARC office, faculty members, teachers, very good evening to all of you. First, let me convey to all the teachers my personal greetings and wish you all happy Teachers' Day. Today, I feel very much delighted to be part of this Teachers' Day celebration through virtual mode. My salute to SARC office and our technology chairman for this great initiative. In this good occasion, we gratefully remember the great educationist, Dr. Radhakrishnan, whose dream was that teachers would be the best minds in this country. Hence, Teachers' Day is very important for all our people, for our students, and even for all the parents, as the teachers lay the foundation for creating enlightened citizens for this nation. This good occasion, once again, wish you a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for this great opportunity.
Jalapati
I
sir will
appreciate the
present.
contribution of this. Yeah, first, I can announce your name.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Jala, this certificate is electronic only temporarily. We'll be giving the physical certificate also in a short span of time to all everybody.
Okay. Thank you, Chairman. So, first appreciation on the teachers certificate to our senior faculty teacher, CA GP Srivasan. Thank you so much, sir, for our contribution to SARC coaching classes. Next one is CA Alexander Sherin for his excellent service to the chartered account students. Next is CAB Hari Gopal. Next one is CAB Sarana Prasad. CAC Jayanti. CAD Suman. CAGP Kasturirangan sir. CAK Kogul Raj. CAK Hariharan. CAK Shanmuganathan. CAKN Anusha. CA Kavita Umabadi. CA Krishna Vinod. CA MF Jason. CA Punarvas Jaykumar. CAR Magesh. CARS Sivaraman. CAS Ganapati. CASJ John Kennedy. CASS Pradap. CAS Sitaraman. CAS Sriram. CAS Sanjay Kadal. CA Shanti Ganapati. CAV Rajalakshmi. CA VS Hiranmai. CA Venkataseva Kumar. CA Vikas Ostwal. CA Vinod Kotari. CA S1 Venkani. CA Durgesh Singh. CAP Ramaswamy. CA Vinod Kumar Mavilla. CMA Tarun Raj. CSR Bharat Kumar. CS SS Babu. Dr. M. Sriram. Dr. Nirmala Raghavan. Dr. P.R. Vittal. Dr. P.V. Raghavan. Dr. R. Vaidyanathan. Mr. A.S. Harihara Kumar. Mr. R.S. Narayana Babu.
That's it, sir. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir. I salute each one of the faculty member teachers for your excellent contribution towards the coaching class, the shaping the bright students, the shaping the quality chartered accounts for this country. Thank you so much for the chairman for this great opportunity.
Thank you, Jalapati sir. Thank you for honoring our SARC faculty members by presenting the appreciation certificate. The framed certificate along with the memento will be handed over or coordinated to each and every one of the faculty members shortly. May I now request faculty members to come forward and address. May I now first request GP Kasturirangan sir to say a few words.
Thank you, Rahman. Thank you, Chairman, Vice Chairman, everybody for giving me this opportunity. It is a very good gesture that even on a Saturday afternoon, you have decided to arrange this function. I feel really happy about this. Only one thing is we could not meet in person. That was the only thing, but of course, we can't help it. But in spite of all these challenges, it's very nice on your part to arrange a function like this online. I really feel honored for your invitation to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kasturi Rangan, sir. May I request Hariharan, sir, to say a few words, please. Hariharan, sir, over to you. Sir, unmute yourself, sir, please.
Yeah, thank you so much for invitation. Wish you a happy Teachers' Days to all the faculties. Once again, thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Hariharan, sir. May I request Suman, sir, to say a few words. Suman, sir, please unmute yourself.
Respected office bearers, chairman sir, other dignitaries, and senior faculty members, pronounce to you Happy Teachers' Day. Thanks for providing me with an opportunity to serve the student fraternity. Hope I'll do justice to the profession in full vigor. Thank you.
Thank you, Suman, sir. May I request GP Srivatsan, sir, to say a few words. Srivatsan, sir. So can you say a few words to Srivatsan, sir?
Rahman, whoever wants to speak, let them speak. No, I don't want to force anybody to speak. We request teachers can
Okay.
share their thoughts.
Whoever wants to come up and say a few words, they can.
You can feel free to express instead of forcing.
Anybody wants to share something can unmute themselves and share your thoughts.
Hello.
Sir, good evening to all.
My name is Babu. Can I speak now?
Yes, Babu sir. Yes, please.
So I'm very happy to be part of this gathering. It has always been a very interesting topic to talk about Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. I was just reading some time back. I found that he was, after some time working in Mysore, he was taking up an assignment in Cambridge. At that time, the students have felicitated him, and he was brought outside the campus for going to the train. And there was a decorated carriage of the horses to be driven. But instead of horses, the students themselves have driven him, taken him by hand. He is sitting in the garage, that particular chariot, and they have taken him to the railway station. So that shows the kind of a reverence the students had for their teacher. And many times in the forum, sometimes the people ask why they are teaching statistics, why they are teaching mathematics in CA forum. But I found a wonderful answer while reading about Dr. Radhakrishnan. He says the job of the teacher is to make the student to think. So therefore, this mathematics and statistics and other topics are kept there for the person, for the students to think. So therefore, I also feel happy when I'm in my classroom, when the students start asking questions, I think that my job has been done. That means they have started thinking. So therefore, in the process of my association with the SIRC, I got an opportunity to interact with a lot of students and make a little bit of contribution in their life by thinking and by doing the right thinking. So thank you so much. I am honored being part of this program and also share my thoughts in the process. It is not that 24 hours reading is making the person a chartered accountant. The very spark of the person able to think makes the difference between a chartered accountant and other than the chartered accountant. I'm very happy to be part of this program. Thank you so much. All the very best. As long as I am able to teach, I shall continue to teach for this fraternity. Thank you so much.
Good evening, all of you. I heard that my name was called to speak, but I couldn't hear it properly. I would like to share a few words, few thoughts. I'm very proud to be a teacher associated with SARC for more than a decade. More than that, I'm very proud that I'm teaching with teachers, stalwarts like Vittal sir, VSK sir, and all other elders. And I am also proud that I'm able to make a little contribution to the student community. And as Babu sir said, I will also teach till I'm able to teach. And particularly, Babu sir was referring about mathematics. Yes, I do understand, and I do get queries like that. So I acknowledge that also. That's all I want to say. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, SARC, for arranging a wonderful event. Thank to all of you.
Good afternoon, all of you. This is Shanmugam, handling accounts for inter and FR for final. Myself, we were associated with the institute for more than 15 years now. I personally thank Chairman and all other office bearers for organizing this sort of an event. I would like to place just one request. Now, there is some sort of a parallel coaching mechanism going on with respect to Board of Studies having the classes. So our classes accustomed to the students who are based South India. So in that sense, now already we are, in fact, I myself personally have seen in various CA groups the message is being spread. And that continues in the big way in terms of just informing so that more students get informed about the choice. Otherwise, based on the queries posed to us, there is a mild dilemma about the Board of Studies classes and this SARC online classes. There is a small sort of dilemma. So, in order to sort it out, probably our notification and various stalwarts are taking care for years together, nothing is new. And that message, if it goes on. Now, in this kind of a time also, more students get benefited through online classes. Early morning, when starting the class at 6 o'clock, and there are about 150 plus in the class. That itself indicates number of students get the benefit. Still, the number can increase. Maybe based on the infrastructure they need and other things, with a small kind of a we can reach the need. That would be very useful, because there are students who cannot afford huge fees, and they are having a mild confusion whether this Board of Studies class and SARC class are they same. This sort of a kind of confusion is there. Inform and go with our own the way of promoting things. I mean, sharing the information. We are also interested in sharing that information. Thank you for all the faculty members who contribute steadfast in all these years. Today, the SARC coaching class achievements depends on this contribution made immensely over the years. And we all would like to support Institute in all the initiatives taken in future. Thank you once again. Thank you all.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Madam. Yeah, good evening, madam. You are audible. Please.
Yeah. Good evening and greetings to you all on this happy Teachers Day. And I am an English faculty here at SARC and I have been taking classes for several decades now. And I'm happy to be part of this institute in spite of, there are plenty of things happening online. And I'm also happy to say that English has been included as a paper in Foundation English, but that's not enough to have these candidates approach their core papers for the inter and the final to support them with more of the language and the communication. It's just a suggestion. If we can do something about it, it'll greatly help them to be on the ranked list. Because students are struggling with the core content and the language. So there are two things that they are trying to, make ends. So it would be easy if we could take care of the language part. And of course, the institute is taking care of the content part, the core content. And thank you so much for arranging this. A good chance to meet all the faculty. Thank you so much and happy Teachers Day.
Yeah, Nirmala ma'am, on any day we listen to teachers and how can we miss today without, the suggestions of what you have given. We'll take it forward and see we can do some classes at the SRC level for the students.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Sir, this is Bharat here. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Yes, sir. I'm really happy to be a part of this session, sir. To introduce myself, I am handling classes for EASSM, Economics for Finance, and CA Final Law. And they say visualization works, and I believe it. Whenever I have been stepping into the institute, I felt like I should do a small of whatever I wanted to, and I'm happy to be here, sir. I always remember when it is Teachers' Day, we remember the former President of India, Shankar Dayal Sharma, sir, who's been received by the King of Oman when they wanted to come to the airport. He received them personally. And when the media wanted to ask why you wanted to give special things to India, and they said, it is not because he is the President of India, he is my teacher in Pune. So that is the level of dedication that anybody can do to a teacher. And all the beloved teachers who are here, my humble pranams to all of them, right from Dungar sir, right from Hari sir, right from Jalapati sir, right from Abhishek sir, everybody is there. Geeta ma'am is there. So I don't want to miss out everyone, but I still wanted to keep my humble pranams. So as per the Einstein's words, the true sign of knowledge, intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. The chartered accountants have always been a very important key role in bringing up the imagination of the chartered accountant students. And we have never even imagined that we would go for an online session and do this. But the chartered accountants have already been doing that. And Dungar sir is an example for the techno expert. And we have always been taking that, and we are so happy to do it. So thank you so much, all the faculty members. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you, Bharat sir. Any faculty members who want to express their views can unmute themselves and speak.
So I'm John Kennedy. I'm John Kennedy, handling IT, that is EIS classes. So I'm very happy to handle these classes and instead of forming part of a faculty team. And I thank all the office bearers, and I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you. Good day.
Good evening to all. This is Narayan Babu. Can I have a word?
Yes, Narayan Babu.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, ICI, past and present chairman, and past and present office bearers, and dear friend Abhishek, and Geeta Madam and Vice Chairman, all my senior gurus and my colleagues and everyone. Happy Teachers Day. I feel very proud and happy, very privileged to be as a teacher. That too, teaching to a professional like a chartered accountant. I really, had and having a lot of very good experience being as a teacher and very good recognition wherever I go. Even I could forget the students, but students may not forget the teacher. So wherever I go out, some students will come and talk, sir, I'm a chartered accountant, I'm your student. So no, it's a wonderful moment. You cannot buy this kind of happiness and pleasure anywhere else. And in my class, I've seen a student, and fortunately or unfortunately, her father or mother also being my student. So that is a wonderful moment. I really enjoy being as a teaching profession. See, this profession gives many things. Really, I wanted to say it gives a lot of happiness and recognition. For example, just a small word, a family to be happy, and we should have a discipline, we should have control and everything. Normally says, no, you should have a good mother. You should have a good mother to take care of the entire family. Father is important for earning money. Father only earns money, shows some love and affection and care. But fine, but even though the mother, a very important person to take care of entire family, being very balanced with everyone, and being as a mother, she knows that what our children want, where to give them importance, where to give them being slightly strict and everything like that. To a family to be happy, need a mother. Similarly, a society to grow, a society to be happy, a society to be knowledgeable. So we can't have plenty of mothers, we can have only one teacher. So a teacher is equivalent to more a number of mothers. Even we as a parent, we always tell to our children, I'll tell your teachers. So that that the care is given by every teacher at all the ages. So I really very proud to be being part of my life as a teacher. Thank you really SIRC for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you my senior faculties who guided me different occasions, and thank you all my colleagues for a lot of motivations and energy. So first of all, thank God and thank everyone for this wonderful opportunity, and thank you for made a beautiful Teachers Day today. I thought Corona it will be vanished, but thank you, Chairman, as someone said, Techno Chairman really taken a very good, wonderful step ahead. Is not missing. See, normally Teachers Day is celebrated and it will be talked for some days, but this Teacher Day is very special. And Dungar Sir period, the Teachers Day were conducted even without failure in Corona. Is a highlight, is a star. Okay, so thank you, sir, for your wonderful step ahead. I wish this Teacher Day celebration should go many decades and many hundreds of years. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all.
Any faculty members who want to express their views can express. Kiran ma'am.
Yes. Am I audible to everybody?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir. So a very good evening to everybody present here. So it's first of all an honor to share the virtual stage with all such eminent faculties, the senior most my teachers like Kasturi sir, Srivatsan sir here, and people like Dugarchand sir and Abhishek ji, as well as Paramashivan sir, Geeta ma'am. Sorry if I've missed anybody because I'm just new to this. So coming back, so a year back, I had attended my first Teachers Day celebration here physically at the Brahmaya Hall. So then I didn't start taking classes for the SIRC yet, but I was still given the memento. I still remember the shawl that was given and everything. And then I decided that it is time for me that I have to give back something to the students. So from then it's been 1 year. And this 1 year has been a really wonderful experience. So all of them have given me a really good opportunity to serve many more students. So it's the time that we start giving back to the profession. And one such thing that we all are really to be I mean, the feeling is you can't put it to in words, but it's really a great feeling. And also, I would like to say I'm also feeling proud because it was only of the SIRC classes that I was selected to serve the students at a higher level also. So that wouldn't have been possible if I was not being selected and given chance here. So on this particular occasion, I just wanted to thank each one of you, Jalapati sir too. So anything and everything. So the members are also very faculty friendly. So any issues that we have also are being taken up equally, like you attend to the students' queries. So all that I see is I wish to continue and I wish to serve many more students either through this particular medium. And I thank all of you once again and wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Each one of you here, even though I've not met personally, I've just seen all of you talk, and that itself is motivating a lot. And during these gloomy days and taking such a virtual thing to even arrange the particular certificates and everything, it takes the effort, and the effort is really, it will definitely remain as a good memory in the years to come. Thank you so much. Thank you, each one of you. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Hiranmayi ma'am. Chairman sir, may I request your permission to request Paramasivan sir to say a few words. Sir is also an academician, so
Yes, I told him Guru of Gurus, and he's been Guru, is taking classes for students also.
yes, sir.
He says Dr. T. Paramasivan for
Yes, sir.
everybody's attention.
Sir was also handling classes for CSB. So may I request Dr. T. Paramasivan sir to go.
Thank you, Raghuman, for seeking permission from Chairman SIRC to enable me to share my thoughts in a great day like Teachers' Day. And first of all, I thank the Chairman SIRC and the office bearers and the SIRC members, honorable members, for giving us the opportunity to conduct this online mode, this Teachers' Day. Second thing, I place on record my sincere gratitude to each and every teacher associated in this SIRC classes for their contribution for grooming a chartered accountant student. Yes, an educational institution, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is the second largest professional accounting body in the entire world. But no other professional accounting body, I repeat, no other professional accounting body is carrying out so many activities which the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is doing. Major activity which the institute is doing is training the students and educating the CA students for the future chartered accountants. Like the Board of Studies is inculcating the theoretical part, whereas the principals, the chartered accountants as principals are teaching the students through an articleship training. Our teachers, SIRC faculty members are associated with the institute, with the SIRC for the past 5 decades or so, for inculcating the theoretical education, so that coupled with this articles training, they can face the examination with so much of confidence and competence. We are developing the competence of the students to face the examination with easy. Once again, I thank you very much for giving this opportunity, and I wish each and everyone, because many of the faculty members could not participate because at this point of time, I repeat, at this point of time, around 8 faculty members are teaching our students 2 batches of foundation, one batch of intermediate, and 1 batch of financial final level. At this present level also, around 8 faculty members are associated with direct teaching through this online. And basically, the institute itself is a service oriented. The institute itself is service oriented. No other institute is having so much of importance, so much of service orientation to the teachers and the students. And I request each and every teacher present in this forum and as well as who could not join this forum to continue to help, to continue to involve in the SIRC for grooming future chartered accountants. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. I once again wish each and every teacher a greatest and happiest and prosperous Teachers' Day on this occasion. Thank you very much, Rahman. Thank you very much, Chairman, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. That's it, sir. That's
Sir, one intervention. Incidentally, Chairman, I want to place on record our sincere gratitude, sincere appreciation to officials manning these coaching classes, led by Mr. Rahman Ali and Vinod, Kalai and Kalyani are doing an excellent work, particularly this online coaching classes, sir. They got to wake up around 5:30 in the morning and enable the teachers to start the program at 6 o'clock. From core of my heart, just like each and every teacher, I am placing on record my sincere gratitude. I am not appreciation, gratitude this four-man army for conducting these coaching classes. Thank you very much, Chairman.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. May I now request Treasurer SIRC, CA Adyam Geeta ma'am, to propose a vote of thanks. Geeta ma'am, over to you.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gratitude is not only the greatest virtues, but the parent of all the others. So happy evening to one and all virtually present here to this Teachers' Day meet. I now take this privilege of proposing the vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of all those who have worked really hard to make our SIRC of ICI an active wing by sharing their knowledge through coaching classes and webinars and CPE meets and actively participating and joining hands with the SIRC. On behalf of SIRC of ICI, I extend my wholehearted gratitude to all the mentors who were part of this meet, from the likes of our SIRC Chairman, DC Jain Sir, our Secretary, Abhishek Murli, and our VC, Vice Chairman Sir, Jalpati Sir. Teacher is who not only teaches the lessons of life, but also the one who holds enough of positive ambience to inspire people. So I express my best wishes and gratitude to all the CAs who are actively engaged in striving hard to mentor the members, students by conducting webinars, CPE meets, and passing the information to all the students. My sincere word of appreciation to all known and unknown teachers who are contributing their best to inspire and developing the inquisitive minds. Thanks to all the mentors, to all our members who have turned today for this today's meeting and making it as a memorable one. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am. With that, we have come to the conclusion of our online Teachers' Day celebrations. Thank you, one and all present here. May I now request Chairman SIRC Jain sir to officially wind up the meeting.
Yeah, thank you all. I'm looking forward to see that at least we meet physically once before, in some time before the term comes to an end, actually. And if not, we'll just wait for the right time where we will have a small celebration or gathering when we meet in SIRC or Brahma Hall, which we are eagerly awaiting. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you.